Namaste everyone. So the next, I'm going to show you the Ardha Chandrasana position with the help of chair. So let's start the pose. So let's start the asana practice. First stand in a Samasthiti position, feet together, legs together, engage your whole body. The first, we'll inhale, bring your left leg back slowly, arms to the sidewise, look to the front, both heels should be in a one line. And then slowly exhale, place your left hand on your waist. Now slightly bend your forward knee, place your forearm on your chair, and then slowly press your right foot, press your right arm, and lift your left leg up. Bring your body straight in a one line, toe stretch inside, and lift your trunk up, lift your chest up, and extend your left arm as much as towards the upside. Slowly bring your arms and shoulders in a one line, your right leg, ankle and buttocks in a one line, your left leg, ankle and buttocks in a one line. And when you come back from the postures, and then slowly with exhale, place your palm on your waist. Now slightly bend your forward knee, drop your back leg on your mat. Now inhale all the way, come up, and exhale to the Samasthiti. Thank you and Namaste.